To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
India's markets regulator plans to propose additional financial incentives for distributors and fund houses to enroll first-time women investors, its chairperson said on Friday, in its latest bid to increase penetration of mutual fund products. Women investors' assets under management accounts for about 33% of individual investors' AUM as of March 2024, according to data from Association of Mutual Funds in India. We are proposing to give additional incentives to distributors of mutual funds for first-time women investors, Securities and Exchange Board of India chairperson Theen Kanta Pandey said at an AMFI event, without providing further details. SEBI has been trying to boost mutual fund penetration in the country by promoting financial awareness and improving financial inclusion. Many people know nothing about the mutual fund manager whose investment decisions affect the performance of their IRA and 401k accounts. But the new research suggests it's well worth one's while to know who's minding your funds, specifically their birth order, due to implications for how your fund performs. Finance professor Vikas Agarwal, of Georgia State University and his co-authors at the University of St. Gallen share their findings in a new paper in the Journal of Finance, including that a mutual fund manager's birth order could be a strong predictor of their investment behavior. SEBI is in discussion with tech giants Google and Apple to add a verification mark on the application of registered intermediaries on their respective app stores amid rising concerns over impersonation and fake applications. Suddenly, we are seeing there are a lot of cases where impersonation is taking place. They, impersonators, will create fake apps and fake payment links, and innocent investors are falling prey, SEBI whole-time member Kamlesh Chandra Varshney said. Varshney also said that SEBI is working with Meta to curb misleading advertisements from finfluencers, financial influencers, who push their content without registration and include trade advice. In the garb of education, you cannot do activities that require registration, he said. A $1 trillion stock rally in China is sparking concerns over growing risks to investors, prompting some of the nation's brokerages and fund managers to cut back on financing and limit purchases. Meanwhile, a number of domestic mutual fund houses this week imposed daily purchasing restrictions on some of the year's best-performing portfolios. Chinese authorities have a track record of intervening when stocks are seen as overheated or oversold, including with rules on margin trading and short selling. Income derived from digital cryptocurrency activities such as trading, mining, and exchange in Malaysia is subject to income tax under Section 4 of the Income Tax Act 1967 because digital currencies are classified as commodities that can be considered business income. The Finance Ministry said this is in line with international tax practices, and the Inland Revenue Board of Malaysia has issued guidelines on the tax treatment of digital currency transactions, including the imposition of income tax, as a reference for taxpayers. Additionally, digital services provided by local service providers are also subject to service tax under the Service Tax Regulations 2018. Since the 1st of January, 2020, service tax also applies to digital services supplied by foreign providers to consumers in Malaysia. FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its latest annual report, now available on its official website. Link in the description. The FIMM annual convention is back, and registration is now open. Be part of the conversations shaping the unit trust industry's future. Reserve your seat today and get ready for a day of insights, connections, and forward vision.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.